This is an 8K RAW file. It crushes most desktops. But for the next generation of filmmakers, editors, and YouTubers, your studio needs to be portable. So, what laptop in 2026 can actually handle this? Not in theory, in practice. We took the top contenders, loaded the same brutal project file, and pushed them until they cracked. The results destroyed my expectations. One machine, from a brand you might overlook, rendered faster than Apple's most expensive chip. All purchase links are in the description. Let's find your mobile editing powerhouse. Number 1. MacBook Air 13-inch laptop. The MacBook Air with the M for chip is designed to significantly enhance your productivity and entertainment experience. The powerful M for chip enables seamless multitasking, whether you're switching between various applications, engaging in video editing, or diving into graphic-intensive gaming. Equipped with Apple Intelligence, this device acts as a personal assistant, helping you articulate your thoughts, complete tasks with ease, and manage your creativity effortlessly. Apple Intelligence also prioritizes your privacy, ensuring that your data remains secure and inaccessible to anyone, including Apple itself. In terms of battery performance, the MacBook Air boasts an impressive up to 18 hours of battery life. This allows for uninterrupted productivity whether you're working remotely or on the go, providing the same stellar performance whether you're plugged into a power source or relying solely on battery. Number 2. Dell 16-inch touchscreen business laptop. The Inspiron 16 is equipped with a stunning 16-inch FHD+ 1920 by 1200 touchscreen display, designed with a wide 16:10 aspect ratio that enhances your viewing experience. The display offers a brightness level of 300 nits, providing edge-to-edge clarity that ensures vibrant colors and sharp details. This makes the laptop perfect for a variety of activities such as work, streaming, and studying, all while contributing to user comfort through ComfortView Plus technology, which effectively reduces eye strain during extended use. Under the hood, the Inspiron 16 boasts a powerful Intel Core 7 processor with adaptive thermals. Specifically, it's powered by the Intel Core 7 150U chipset, allowing it to reach impressive speeds of up to 5.4 GHz. The adaptive thermal technology is a standout feature, as it smartly adjusts the laptop's performance and cooling based on the current workload, ensuring optimal performance whether you are tackling intensive business tasks or engaging in creative projects. Number 3. Alienware 18 Area 51 Gaming Laptop. Area 51 was intentionally designed to reach new performance horizons by enabling higher graphics and processor power limits, setting a new standard for gaming laptops. With cutting-edge features and sophisticated engineering, this laptop is poised to redefine the way gamers and content creators experience high-performance computing. Game-changing graphics are at the heart of this design. Step into the future of gaming and creation with the revolutionary NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 series laptop GPUs. These graphics processing units are powered by the groundbreaking NVIDIA Blackwell architecture coupled with advanced AI capabilities. This combination allows for immersive visual experiences with striking realism, enhanced frame rates, and groundbreaking ray tracing technology that brings your games and creative projects to life. Number 4. ASUS ROG Strix G16. Unleash power with Windows 11 Home, which is designed to enhance your computing experience through a more intuitive interface and improved performance capabilities. This operating system is paired with an Intel Core i7 processor 14650HX, a high-performance CPU built for demanding tasks including gaming, content creation, and multitasking. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU, utilizing the advanced NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, provides outstanding graphical performance, enabling you to enjoy immersive gaming experiences. Additionally, features like DLSS4, deep learning super sampling, and Max-Q technologies optimize frame rates and graphical fidelity, ensuring smooth visuals even in the most graphically intensive scenarios. Fast memory and storage, equipped with 16 GB of DDR5-5600 MHz memory, this setup allows you to multitask seamlessly, running multiple applications without experiencing lag or slowdowns. Number 5. MC Ultra Thin 15 VR Ready Gaming Laptop. 32GB of high-bandwidth DDR4 RAM facilitates smooth and lag-free performance, allowing users to run multiple applications and numerous browser tabs for an uninterrupted workflow. This significant amount of memory ensures that tasks such as gaming, video editing, and multitasking on different software applications can be executed effortlessly. Coupled with a robust 1TB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD, users can experience lightning-fast boot times along with rapid data transfer speeds, making file access and software loading quick and efficient. The powerful processing capabilities of the Intel Core i5-13420H processor are showcased through its 8 cores and 12 threads. This configuration, supported by a generous 12MB L3 cache, enables it to handle intense workloads and deliver seamless performance. So whether you're cutting Hollywood trailers or daily vlogs, your perfect mobile editing suite is now clear. Every laptop that survived our gauntlet, from the budget hero to the 8K rendering beast, is linked below. If this real-world editing test saved you from a $3,000 mistake or helped you find more power for less, smash that like button. It tells the algorithm this creative content matters. Share this with an editor or creator in your life. Subscribe and hit the bell, because next week, we're exposing the 1 Pro setting in DaVinci Resolve 2026 that's slowing down every editor's workflow, and how to fix it in 10 seconds. See you in the edit bay.